Hello everyone, so we'll be learning string skipping exercise today. Let's get to our exercise. This is called string skipping exercise. We'll play down on our E, we'll skip our A string and we'll play up on our D. Then we'll play down on A, we'll skip D and we'll play up on our G. We'll play down on D, we'll skip G and we'll play up on D. Then we'll play down on G and we'll play up on E1. So same way you will come from bottom to top, down on E1, up on G, down on B, up on D, down on G, up on A, down on D, up on E. So when we are playing E1, we are skipping our B2 string and we are playing up on G. Then we are playing down on B, we are skipping G, we are playing up on D. Then on G we are playing down, we are skipping our D string and we are playing up on A. Then we are playing down on D, then we are playing up on E, we are skipping the A. So the whole exercise will sound like